Oh! I cannot be in the kitchen. I'm gonna be cooking these noodles. Ooh, so cheesy. Hi dollies! Today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. I know that's just so random, but I just feel bored. I wanna like film myself eating because I wonder if that's gonna like reach some people. Yeah, let's get started. This is where I keep my little snacks in here. Yes, these are my favorite chips ever, hot Doritos. They're not really good for my freaking stomach. I'm cooking these today. As you can tell, these are the only flavor buldak noodles I have because they're so freaking delicious. The seaweed I'm gonna eat with too. Let's start cooking. Okay, now that we're in the kitchen, I got my pan right here. It's like an electric pan that you can bring upstairs. You don't have to like cook it on the stove. So I put it all the way up. Cook my eggs first. And look at this cute melody plate that I got from Shein. Okay, let's get this stuff.
Who the fuck did go there?
I would use butter for my eggs. I'm using this butter. I love when my eggs are buttery, and I would usually cook like 2 eggs. I'm cooking on my kitchen table. Look, I'm gonna lower down the heat. Not sponsored. I grabbed 2 of them. I'm just gonna crack it in there. Not be in the kitchen. Okay, now I just flip it. Oh look, it's done. Oh, oh shit, I messed up. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, this one's gonna be the best one. Oh, oh! This is so not aesthetically pleasing. I'm just gonna plug it back in. I'll come back to y'all when it's like done boiling. Hello! Hello, say hi! Cute, so cute. She already wants a belly rub. Oh, so cute. Okay, that's kind of better. I just tried a different makeup style, inspired by Fuki. I'll put her at right here. So I put my hands up, saying my song. Why my arms so long? In your car, I'm your baby. Listen on my innocence, my backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me. Okay, now it's boiling. We're gonna be cooking these noodles. It's so cute and pink. I love it. This format is so bad, but just bear with me. Oh my gosh! Oh, this is sorry. Okay, it's boiling. I need chopsticks. Chopsticks. I got water on my beautiful eggs. Good to go. This thing cooks pretty quick. I'm gonna put this product in the link in the description so you guys can also get it. Okay, let's dump it out now. The background is not cute at all. Nor the dishes, oh my gosh. Leave some water so you can put the pepper jack cheese on there. I'm gonna be using pepper jack that I got from Kroger. That's a lot of cheese, oh my gosh. And I just let it cook in there. I'm using this. People get so mad when you don't use all the spice, but I don't really care. I guess I have to put more cheese. Oh no, look how creamy. I literally have a trip to the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Add this. Oh my gosh. Put all of it in here. Oh, girl, this ain't it. This is bad. Add the eggs in. Look at my ice machine. It's pink and it's also in my room, which is diabolical, but I love it because I'm a lazy bee. And I'll put this in my sink. Okay, so I'm stupid actually because I put the seaweed in there and now it's all like melted. Now it's not going to taste good. Wait, let me do a thumbnail. Oh, so cheesy.
Oh my God!
Are you serious?
It's not what it looks
Right
like.
in front of my salad?
It's not
You
what
guys
it
are
looks
fucking
like.
gross.
I added so much cheese, but I didn't thought it was like going to taste good because usually when I add too much cheese, it tastes so bad. Pepper jack cheese, I promise you, it's a life changer. Okay, I'm putting the seaweed in there. Oh my god, this is actually good. This is like the best samyang noodles I made so far. And it's crazy how I caught that in camera. It's so creamy. And the seaweed and the eggs like add a touch to it. I'm such a big bag for adding like 2 eggs. You asked me how do you start being gadu? I have to have the confidence for it. And I don't have that, honestly. I will call myself a gadu, but at the same time, I'm not. Because people say it's a lifestyle. I don't think I really have confidence in me. It's really not that spicy. Maybe because of the cheese overpowering it. Nose is running. Never mind, I jinxed it. It's actually getting hot. First bite, this is what they would usually do. My stomach already feels weird. People like don't slurp your food, but doesn't that just make your food like less tasty? Like I don't get that. Okay, we're almost done. This is the last bit. Water break. Isn't that cute? I'm not going to clip that. Oof. It's so creamy. I love this so much. I have nothing to talk about. Now the last bite. Now we're done. It's empty. I am so full. That's it for the video. I know that was like random. Just wanted something to film, and plus I'm just bored with my life, so editing and making a video is all I can do with my life right now. And I got some new clothes coming. Oh wait, it's already here, but half of it came, so I'm waiting for the other package to come. I'm gonna film a try-on slash haul. Can't wait. You see those posters right there? I just got them and I'm so happy. It just makes my room look so much cuter. I love Pop Teen magazine so much. Oh, my stomach is making a sound. That's how you know I gotta take a I hope this video was like nice to watch. Let me know if you guys want a vlog like for my day, like my whole day is like a random persona that I actually just romanticize life. Yeah, bye dollies. I cannot cook for shit, but man, I'm recording.